Simple sketching, part 4. So back to the isometric boxes, open book, line, trace the direction, Y shape, open book, notice that I've got lots of overlap here, Y shape, open book, parallel, 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 parallel. Open book, parallel, 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 parallel. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we've got a pretty messy page again. We've got lots and lots isometric boxes. I'll do a long one over here. Long book. We can't make out one box from another. Similar to the earlier exercise where we were just drawing rectangles, each cube is overlapping another cube. This one's difficult to see from this one. In fact, there's probably 6 different ones here, all in this small space. So again, if I want to emphasize the shape, if I want a shape to stand out off the page above all the others, I can use a real simple technique. I can use the outlining technique. It's very similar to what we did before. So remember when we were doing the rectangles, we just went over the outside heavier for an outline. We do the same. I'll do it on this one down the bottom, so it's nice and clear, so it's not jumbled up amongst this. So around the outside, just go over the outside line. Note I'm going around the perimeter of the shape, around the outside of the shape, not on every single line. So I haven't done this, and I haven't done this, and I haven't done this. It's just around the outside of the shape. And this has made it very bold. Now you can do this with the same pen as I have. You can use a different pen if you want. Let's go over here. Oh, this one here, I can just make it out. It's a little bit darker than the others, but I really wanted to stand out on the page. So I'm going to use this red pen. I'm going to go around the perimeter, around here. Makes it, and now it's absolutely clear. Our eyes are drawn to this shape on the page, or this shape on the page. They really stand out. This one stands out too because it's very large and it's uncluttered. Y shape, open book, line, 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 parallel, 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 long, parallel, 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 open book, parallel, 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 parallel. Okay, a slightly different outlining technique. I'll use my blue pen again, same colour. So I want to emphasise the shape here. So I'm going to use an outline, but rather than just staying on the line, I'm going to slightly fade it away. So I'm going to do an outline here. I'm going to fade away, and I'm going to do an outline here. Fade away. So all I'm doing, I'm pressing on hard near the line, and then just sort of zigzagging my pen away as I go away. And that makes that stand out. I've just done 2 lines there to bring an emphasis to this shape. It usually works best when you've got opposite sides of your shape like this. You don't need to go all the way around. It becomes a bit too busy, a bit too much, and you lose the drawing itself if you go all the way around. Different outlining techniques on 3D cuboids. You have a go.